Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence is watching you? What if I told you it's not just watching, it's helping you right now in ways you don't even notice? From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, AI is quietly working in the background, making your life easier, safer, and more connected. It's not science fiction anymore. It's your daily reality. So, what is this invisible AI? Think of it like a smart assistant that learns from experience. Just like how you learn to ride a bike, you wobble, you fall, but eventually you get the hang of it. AI learns from vast amounts of data. It spots patterns that we humans might miss and uses those patterns to make predictions and decisions. It's not about robots taking over the world. It's about software getting smarter every single day. And this matters because this silent revolution is changing everything. Let's start with your morning. You pick up your phone. The news feed you scroll through. AI curated it just for you, based on what you've read before. The email app that automatically sorts spam from your important messages. That's AI too. Driving to work. Your navigation app uses AI to analyze real-time traffic data, finding you the fastest route and predicting your arrival time with amazing accuracy. It's like having a personal traffic expert in your pocket. Now, think about your evening. You want to relax and watch a movie. That recommendation lists on your favorite streaming service. It's not random. AI analyzed thousands of movies and your viewing history to suggest what you might love next. When you shop online, AI suggests products you might like, and it even helps protect your credit card from fraud by spotting unusual spending patterns in milliseconds. It's your silent digital guardian. Even the ads you see are tailored by AI to be more relevant to your interests. This technology is already reshaping our world. In hospitals, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and more accurately, saving lives. In farming, it helps grow more food with fewer resources by analyzing soil health and weather patterns. For businesses, AI optimizes everything from customer service chatbots that answer your questions 24/7 to managing complex supply chains that bring products to your doorstep. It's creating new jobs and making existing ones more efficient. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The benefits are huge: more convenience, better healthcare, and solutions to global challenges. But we also have to think about concerns like data privacy and job market shifts. It's important that we have conversations about how to use AI ethically and ensure it benefits everyone. The key isn't to fear AI, but to understand it. So, what can you do to prepare for this AI-powered future? You don't need to become a programmer. Start by being curious. Pay attention to how technology works around you. Read articles, watch videos like this one, and just stay informed. The most important skill in the future will be the ability to learn and adapt. Because AI is not just a tool for engineers. It's a new partner for all of humanity. We are living in a truly remarkable time. The line between human and machine intelligence is blending, creating possibilities we could only dream of a generation ago. AI isn't the future. It's the present. The real question is not what AI will do, but what we will choose to do with it. What kind of future will you build? If you enjoyed this look into the hidden world of AI, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments one way you've noticed AI in your life. Thanks for watching.